Coming up today, we get that old tired patio up, we dig it out, we get a new one in, we get the slabs down, we make it wonderful. A perfect place to sit and enjoy the evening sunset. Here you are, in here hiding in the shed. Good morning and welcome back to another weekend project. What we're going to do today is we're going to get, is it a patio? Is it a doorstep? That's what title it today should be. And we're going to do this area. Let me drag you along here. We're going to do this area outside the bar. So this is the area for today. What we're going to do is we're going to get that all tidied up, get those boards out of the way, dig it over, get in some membrane, some base layer sand, cement, slabs. Stick with me. But before any of that, I did my usual. I got my notebook out, I mapped out exactly what I needed. I priced it up, I headed off to B&Q then and picked up the various products that I would need, which included gravel, sharp sand, slab layer. Then made my way back home and got it all stacked up in the garden, ready for the day ahead. Here, I'm going to get these out first. Get as much of this up as we can, get it weeded out, and get that plastic membrane moving as well. To do now is dig out enough of this so I can get in a base and a membrane, and keeping this bit level with this bit over here, this existing path coming up that we built a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so we've dug out here. What I'm looking to do ideally is from the threshold of the bar, I want to go out 4 slabs. Then next to it, there'll be 3, and then over by the raised bed, there'll be 2. If I go 4, I'm cutting into this bit of ground here. So what I'm going to need to do now is chop out that piece of ground and put in a new board. $20mm into the corners, get it nice and flat. Beautiful sunny day today.
Ahead of a very good run from Rose Harvey. Very impressive. You think 9 months, whatever, after
Getting it all levelled off now. We're getting so much closer. We're down to the last couple of banks of sand. We get this nice and flat, ready for the slabs.
Good luck messages to your loved ones who are out there on the course, and you can do that as a text, a WhatsApp, or for the first time, you can send us a video picture. You can use the QR code on the screen now. WhatsApp us at 033 0123 1826.
So here we go. We're about halfway through now. It's very much hit and miss as you go along, and then check it over with the level, and you come up with a half decent DIY mini patio. But I have plenty of slab layer anyway. That should make a difference now, I think. A little bit more there. That's her. Yes. Pack it a bit underneath here. And then there. There we go. Chuck. Just another bag of the silver gravel to go on top of that. Well, so that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it and you'd like to see some more like this, just follow the link here, or indeed if you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be wonderful. It'll be there somewhere, one there and one there. If you want to see more content, they'll be in those links, and all that's left to say is don't forget, subscribe, follow, comment. Till next time, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.